Hey y'all, I'm going to be making a squishy minus unicorn. We gotta dip it in the water first. Then you shake all the extra water that's in there. My sister's making an octopus. I am making a unicorn. I'm going to use this one for the hair. Oh my god, I took off the whole thing. I didn't even realize that. My sister is making this one. Okay. Y'all, this is, I just got this today. Yeah, birthday gift. No. So, is yours farting over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear it. Next, I'm going to put an eyeball. Here, wait, let me show you guys real quick. It's so cute. And then this is my sister's. It kind of looks like a ghost.
I guess.
No.
Why is there 3 different
Guys,
colors over here?
our lights keep flickering.
I'm not using that one.
Why?
Because I have just these 2.
Okay. Y'all, why isn't it going in? It's not going in the hole.
Which one's darker?
Now y'all can see me.
This one.
Don't need that one anymore. Why? Do you not want the darker one?
Yeah, I wanted the darker one, and I wanted to see if that was the darker one.
Y'all. Sorry, my dad. Okay, hold on. Let me dry out this little spot. Because it's wet and it's not going in. Hold on, let me just squirt some. Okay, well, it works fine there. We're not into the mold. Y'all, I'm having trouble with the unicorn.
Troubles.
Pop the
These
book.
troubled times, I hope you send us wishes.
What?
Nothing.
Okay. I'll show you what it looks like. So cute. Next. I think I'm gonna do
What's that down? You don't lick me.
the horn as this color.
Ace, quit.
Dogs these days.
Quit. Thank you.
Guys, the horn will fit. Or the gel won't fit in the, yeah.
My leg is stuck.
Life is sad sometimes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to make the
No bubbles allowed.
horse's like color, like skin, like white. Purple. Wait, we need to do the hooves. Hooves. Colorful.
It's party. Audrey.
What? I'm trying to make it. Y'all, this video is going to be so long.
No, it's not. It's only gonna be like an hour. Not.
We can't go an hour.
I know.
Y'all, it's literally so cute. There. Okay. Now, wait, where's my purple? Guys, which purple should I do? The darker or the lighter? Sparkly and not sparkly. Sparkly. Okay. If y'all chose sparkly, there you go. You can watch my sister now.
No.
What is I'm sorry. It fell over. I am using my cat's head. I'll show you what I'm using as a stand. Yeah, that's what I'm using. It's holding my phone up though, so. Wait, right? What's that you using? This is the skin.
Why?
Hudson's colorful dinosaur.
That was an elephant.
It's upstairs.
It is?
Yeah, I put them all upstairs.
Oh, you took that one too.
Oh yeah.
What song? Oh my god, this beat. Oh my god, is this?
Okay, y'all, it's literally sweating.
Get them fat bubbles out my.
No, I missed a spot. My sister's duck, she didn't fill it in all the way, so now it has
Shut
like
up.
a hole in the middle.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Okay, y'all, how do you think?
Who said it had a hole in the middle? Because I know it does not.
So now we're going to dip it in.
I'm done. Move your hand.
No! No! No!
Watch me slay this.
No, y'all, hold on, I need to bring you the gel.
I like my cheese drippy. I didn't fart, by the way. That's the chair squeaks.
Y'all, comment, Kenzie farted in the comments. If y'all do,
You'll
I'm
get
so
10
proud.
bucks.
Yeah,
You'll
you'll
get
get
10
$10.
Robux. Oh, it won't come out.
Kenzie, move your arm.
It worked.
Oh, that's so cute.
Look at my octopus. He needs to be flipped over. Where's my gloves? There's one. There's two. I don't even know.
No. Wait. Oh, I thought the tail didn't come off.
It's fine. You could have just reconnected it
No, it came off
with
though.
some glue.
But it came off.
What about the glue?
Y'all, my thing is so cute. Oh my god, I keep leaving the
Is
mold
my
in there.
fingers in the glove, right? Are my fingers in the
I don't know. I'm gonna show you this starfish that I
My
made.
fingers are crooked. Or the glove fingers are crooked.
So cute. And this one. Here, wait, I'll go get the rest. They're all upstairs. Nah, excuse me.
Excuse you, ma'am. Why is the table all wet? Good. Are they in a bag or something? Mm-hmm. Give me some.
No. I'm holding. Stop!
I want my duck.
Kenzie's gonna show you her duck.
It's hairy.
Get this one.
Look at my beautiful duck.
What, a strawberry?
That's my strawberry. Where's my watermelon?
Our. Y'all, and then I made this dinosaur.
Then here's my watermelon. They're fat and chunky.
And then here's my cherries. Here is my dolphin. Sparkly.
And then my older brother's colorful dinosaur. It's
Wait,
supposed to be an elephant.
yeah,
and he called it the dinosaur and the tail fell off.
Now what should we make? I'm gonna make an apple. Pen, pineapple, apple, pen.
What is this?
You need like a. Flip it around. No, like I mean like I wanna turn this. Is that like a kraken type of thing?
I'm gonna make it like a little animal thing. Like those are its toes. He's gonna have shoes. And then that's gonna be like a troll. A mini troll, you know?
Okay, y'all, that will be
Control?
this.
A
Oh
mini
my
troll.
god, I forgot to wet it down, guys.
Oh, I did that so many times.
Get out, get out, get out. Pen,
Oh, gosh.
pineapple, apple, pen. It's not wet, y'all. Pen, pineapple, apple, pen. Water. Baby wash your neck. First you gotta make that part.
What color should the hair be? It needs to be orange, bright orange.
Y'all.
Oh yeah, some bright orange hair
Okay, those are like the
right up in
stems.
there. Should I save that one for last? I'm gonna save the hair for last.
Why?
I need pink.
I'm at 15%.
Oh, wait, I need to save that for last. You're fine. What color should his shoes be?
Green.
It looks blue.
Y'all.
Here's some shoes.
Just spread it around. No, I moved the stem, y'all. You gotta put the gel over that.
Okay. Pineapples have stems or apples.
Yes. That's good.
Okay.
Or the lighter one.
There.
Kenzie, which one? Lighter or darker? Darker. Lighter. Alright, I got you.
I said darker.
You said lighter. Like. Wait, don't they have like the leaves and then the stem in the middle?
Or it has the two leaves on the side and then the stem like on the other side. Or just one leaf.
Okay. Yo, it's gonna be so cute.
That was a lot.
I need this one. By the stem, of course. Because I don't have like a brown.
Just mix red and orange. Red, orange, blue.
Okay.
Baby,
It's coming through, y'all.
Okay, these better not mix. I'm gonna murder somebody if it does.
Not me.
Maybe it will be you because you're the one posting this. No, it just rained.
No! Yeah, bro.
Wait, it's all because of you.
Wait, go. Just do that.
Just do that.
Y'all, I made a tomato.
Baby heaven.
Guys, a tomato. Guys, it's a tomato. Okay, guys, it's a tomato. Okay, it's not an apple.
Oh, you're dripping water on my wall.
Life is sad sometimes. Okay, y'all, we're gonna check on our stuff that we like just made. I'm gonna check on my unicorn.
I need eyeballs. Where's the black?
Y'all. I might make a part 2. Should we? Should we, Kenzie? Part 2?
I'm trying to focus on my eyes.
Okay, guys. Mystery. It's gonna be a mystery.
Boom, chocolate. Oh my god.
Okay, but I'm gonna make a part 2. Peace.